Imagine you have just spent weeks coordinating a community impact project. Handing council leaders a thick, typed report often results in them losing interest before they reach your conclusions. Projecting your key points onto a large screen allows you to guide the room through your successes step by step. That is the core function of presentation software. It allows you to combine short, focused text with engaging pictures to provide a clear path for your audience to follow. An electronic presentation acts as your digital assistant. It is designed to amplify your voice and anchor your message in the audience's memory. When you open presentation software, you'll notice the layout differs from a standard word processor. Instead of a continuous scrolling page, your workspace is divided into distinct individual slides. On the left side, you have the slide navigation pane. This column displays miniature versions, or thumbnails, of all your slides in order, allowing you to track and reorder the flow of your story. In the center is the slide pane. This large area is your active workspace, where you type text and insert pictures for the currently selected page. Finally, across the top sits the ribbon. This toolbar is where you access your options for formatting text, inserting images, and adding interactive effects. Mastering this layout allows you to manage the big picture on the left while perfecting the individual details right in the center. A common mistake is the text wall trap. If you type full paragraphs, your audience reads the screen instead of listening. To fix this, apply the 6x6 rule, a maximum of 6 bullet points per slide and no more than 6 words per line. This photograph of Murchison Falls shows water cascading through a steep gorge. Using a clear, uncluttered image provides a realistic anchor for your audience, helping them recognize the location better than a text list of coordinates. Effective slides provide strong visual support for the audience. They do not replace your speech, they illustrate it. Formatting fonts, background colors, and layouts manually on every single slide takes significant time and often results in clashing styles. Instead, use the theme tool. With a single click, you apply a unified color scheme and professional typography system across your entire presentation. Themes handle the repetitive formatting for you, ensuring every slide follows a consistent, unified design automatically. When adding interactivity, distinguish between transitions and animations. A transition is the visual effect when moving from one complete slide to the next. An animation controls individual items inside a single slide, like pictures appearing while you speak. Be careful to avoid animation overload. Erratic movements like spinning text, bouncing images, and loud sound effects distract your audience from the actual data. Digital motion should be used strictly to guide the viewer's eye smoothly through your points, not to show off the software's features. This photograph shows a dense colony of waterbirds gathered on the Kazinga Channel shoreline. Imagine you want this picture to appear only after you have finished reading the bullet points next to it. Pause the video and decide, do you need a transition or an animation to achieve this specific timing? The correct answer is an animation. Because the photograph is a specific object residing inside an already visible slide, an animation controls exactly when it appears. Identifying the correct tool guarantees you control the exact pace of your information delivery. Your presentation often needs to be shared physically. However, printing one full slide per page wastes paper and makes it difficult for listeners to follow along. This printed layout is called a handout. By placing multiple slides onto a single page, you provide your audience with visual references alongside blank lines where they can write their own notes. And when delivering that presentation live, remember your physical position. Use the screen only as a quick reference guide, ensuring you turn to face and speak directly to your audience. A successful presentation accounts for the audience's experience and physical needs, both during your speech and after they go home. To review, keep your text brief using the 6x6 rule and unify your visual layout by applying a theme. Use transitions to move the viewer between pages and use animations to reveal specific objects inside those pages. Mastering these foundational tools gives you control over your digital storytelling, allowing you to deliver your ideas to an audience clearly and confidently.